Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Here is my project. It's an dangling earring. This one is made from recycled buttons. This is an old buttons painted with a mint green nail polish and sprinkled with green glitters. And now I transform it into a unique, beautiful dangling earring. This is made from a silver plated jewelry wire with silver beads and white beads. Just check from my other video for my video tutorial on how I created these earrings. So just watch the full videos so that you will learn on how to create and recycle an old buttons and transform into a beautiful and unique earrings. All you need is just to follow the tutorial step by steps, okay? So thank you for watching, and I hope you will continue to support my channel so that my channel will grow. And please give a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed yet, so that you will be updated with my new project and my new video tutorials, and you will learn many things from me, okay? The stand or the organizer for my earring, this wine glass, is also a project for the Valentine's. This is a wine glass decorated with a flower and a heart shape. This is my project for the Valentine's, and I'm using now for the accessories holder for my project for my earrings, okay? So that's all, and thank you, and see you again in my next tutorial. Dankeschön. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking YouTube tutorial channel. Ciao!